Have you ever tried to pay for Netflix before, Canva, or even Facebook ad, and boom, your Naira card gets rejected? Yes, international payments from Nigeria can be wahala, but not anymore. Let me show you a smarter way with Cleva. You can create your own virtual dollar card right from your home, fund it in Naira, and pay for anything online globally. No hidden charges, no bank drama, it's a safe international payment. So if you're a freelancer, online shopper, or business owner, this is your ticket to the global market. In this video, I'll be showing step by step on how to create your clever virtual dollar card from Nigeria and start using it immediately. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are here watching this video right now, kindly take a few seconds, hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. So let's get started. So to get started, the first thing you are going to do is to go to my description box. You are going to see a link there. Click on the link. It's going to take you to the page where you are going to sign up on the app, on the website. Or there's going to be a referral code at the description box. So if you are using app, just put in the referral code on the app if it is app you are using. But if you are using the link directly, it will take you to the page where you are going to sign up. So I'm going to go to my Google Play Store. I'm going to type in Cleva and I'm going to install it on my phone. So I've already installed it on my phone here. So once you are here, you click on Cleva app on your phone. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then it's going to ask you to create an account. So just click on create an account. Then it will take you to the next interface. So once you put in your name, your email address, your password, and your phone number, you'll be asked to put a referral code. So I'm going to leave the referral code on the link here. Just copy the referral code and put it there. Or you can check the description box. So once you have done that, just click on agree terms. Then once you are done, you click on continue. Do you get? So you click on continue and you are going to you have to verify your email address. Do you get? So a link will be sent to your email address. Then go, I'm going to do that. Go and click on the link to verify your email address. It's very important. So once I'm done with that, then it's going to bring me to this interface for me to log into my account back. So I'm going to log in with my email address and the password I used to create the account. So I'm going to do that. So then it's asking us to set up a transaction pin. So I'm going to set up a transaction pin. So just make sure you put a 4-digit PIN number that you'll be able to remember. So after I've done that, I'm going to click on the submit button. So transaction PIN created. All right. So after we have done that, so before we continue, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are still watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Then also, if you want to link your virtual card with your paper and you don't know how to do that, I have a video in my description box. Click on the video and watch out on how to link your paper account with your virtual dollar card. So we need to verify our identity. So we are going to click on complete KYC. And okay, so let me just, okay, we are going to provide our personal information, then upload our national ID card. Then we are going to take a selfie, like a photo of ourselves. So once you have done that, you click on continue. Then it's going to take you to this place, and all you need to do is to put in all your details, your first name, your middle name, so your last name, your date of birth, then the ID type. So you are going to choose that. So I'm going to be doing that one after the other so that you can see the process. Put in your address. You select your country, then you put in your address. Then you also add your city. Then it's asking for the ID type. So you choose put in your BVN. So don't worry, it is actually safe. It is safe for you to put your BVN here. So then you put your address here. So I'm going to do that. So it's asking for your public profile link. Either if you're a freelancer, maybe on Upwork, you can put in your link, or maybe you have a LinkedIn or Fiverr, so you just put in your link. Then expected monthly income you are expecting, you can put less than 1,000 naira, so I'm going to do that. So where do you expect most of your payments into Cleva? So I can choose Fiverr or Upwork. So choose um Fiverr or Upwork, any other means. So once you have done that, then you click on save and continue. So after you have done that, you will receive a message that your BVN has been verified. So the next thing is for us to upload our picture, or you can snap it directly. So I'm taking my picture directly. So once I'm done that, I'll click on continue, and within few minutes your account will be activated. So the account has been activated. So it's going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to click on request a USD virtual. So it usually takes 1 day for them to reply to activate the virtual card. So once you have done that, then you can come to setting to get your referral link or your code. So for every person you refer, you'll get $5. Do you understand? So just click on setting, then copy. You will see the referral code here. You can see, or you copied your link, then share it to your friends and family. So when they make deposits on the account, you get $5. So when you click on request virtual card, it's going to bring you to this interface. There are instructions that you are going to read. So these are the platform that they support for you to receive payment. So just click on I agree, then click on this, then you can now click on submit or confirm. So once you request for the virtual card, that one is just a camouflage. Within few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, your account will be activated, and that is what just happened to me. Immediately I click on request for virtual card. Before you know, I check my email. You can see I've received my email and my account is active. Do you get? So this is the email that was sent to me that my account has been approved. So once you do that, come back to this place and click on add funds. So copy your account number. You can see the account name here, account number, the bank details. So this is a USA account number, so you can use it to pay for Facebook ad, you can use it to buy anything online. So that will be the end of today's video. Then also I'm going to be dropping a video in the description box. Click on the link where you can link your paper account with your virtual card. So I'm going to drop the link there. If you want to link your paper account with your virtual card, so just click on the link and watch the video. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Thank you.